If anybody can get that boat anchor running, that NEOTEC boat anchor running, it's you, Jawa. But when he gets his saw back running, he's not allowed to have it looking like a NEOTEC. You ever seen a 070 handle marked like that?
Wow.
Old stock, new old stock? What you think?
New old stock.
What you think, man?
I ain't made them things from steel in years.
Like 50 years? Who knows? Like, subscribe, share, thumbs up, take care. That's our boat anchor project.